Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kelsey and I'm back with another video. And as you guys can see and read from the title down below, it's a natural hair video, and today we're going to be reviewing a product my mom bought for me, which I didn't think really worked until I saw my mom's friend use it and it worked on her hair. So I was like, let me see if it works on my hair, because we have different types of hair or whatever. So my hair's looking a bit crazy. I just washed it and air dried it, and when I say air dry, I really mean I took a 100% cotton shirt and tied my hair and it dries out. So yeah, before we get into the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I post my next video. So we're gonna see if we can get some straight hair, or at least look like it's been blow dried. And if this doesn't work, we're gonna come back with another video where we blow dry our hair before we do it. So the name of the product is Fast Hair Straightener HQT-906. If you have a name like this, you don't work, okay? But we gonna see. We gonna see. Okay, I'm gonna let it heat up. I'm gonna part my hair, then put it to heat up as I detangle. So all that comes in the box is the hair straightener, brush thing, an instructional manual, but I'm black, I don't read. So I'm gonna put that down. I'm gonna put this here until I finish parting my hair to sections. So now we're about to do the other side. See when I'm done doing this to this. We back with a mama plot them. So I separated my hair. I plugged it in. I ended up had to read the manual solely because I don't know why I feel my camera's twist. Solely because I needed to know what current it was. So yeah, when you live in the... To me, it's not heating up. When you live in the Caribbean, you need to make sure you're plugging in the right current to the right current, because you don't want to know that they don't destroy your things. So... I plugged it in and it's so cool. Okay, on the side here, there's buttons. There's like the one to turn it on, there's the one to make it hotter, and there's the one to make it like colder, whatever, less hot. So I plugged it in and I put it that I wanted to go to, I didn't choose the highest because then I would be like, oh, I'm burning my hair off. I chose like the one down, which doesn't really make a difference. But anyways, I think it's 225 I chose. And it's so cool. Look, it's like counting up the numbers. I don't know if you can see it, but I don't want it to burn me because it's already getting kind of hot. But it's counting the numbers up, like it's going up. That's so cool to watch, so you know when it's actually the temperature you asked for. So yeah, I'm about to... Okay, I have this theory. It might be stupid. Like, if you're a natural hair person, just let me know if my theory is right. When I'm gonna apply heat to my hair, I don't like to use oils on my hair strands. I would like do whatever to my hair and then put the oils on my scalp, right? Reason being because I just feel like I'm frying my hair, because oil and heat fry stuff. Like, tell me my logic is bad. Tell me. So yeah, I'm just waiting for it to heat up. And then when it's like at the heat I want, the temperature I want, I'm just choo-choo. And then let's see how it goes. I think I messed up from the back. So we're back. It's at 225 Celsius, whatever. I don't know if y'all can see. So we about to loose this out. Use my wet tip comb. Ooh, wait. It's still a little damp, but not wet. You know, my hair, you can't deal with it when it's dry, because then it's just too dry to deal with. And me personally, I like to do my hair when it's a little damp. So I know a lot of people are gonna come for me. I usually do use heat protectant, but my mom is so loud. I don't know if y'all saw her. But I'm not about to use none because I didn't walk with mine from school because of the whole Russian thing. But it's alright. I thought I had hair. That's why I was like, ugh, I can't leave it. So I'm gonna just coat it with something. That's it. I'm gonna be fine. I'm gonna just cut it and go again. If you know me, you know I want short hair either way. So I'm just too scared to cut my hair for no reason. So let's go. It's hot. Let's see. I don't think nothing worked. My hair is hot. My hair is getting hot, but maybe the section's too big. I don't want to pass it through too much and then I get heat damage. It's not working, guys. I don't think it's working. I was praying the thing works. I know the things I saw online is saying that it doesn't get to the root, but this one girl I saw, she did one pass and that bad boy went through. Why it's not going through for me? You could tell a little. Like, you know when you blow dry your hair without any tracing method, you just blow it to get it dry and not to get it blown out. That's what it's looking like. Maybe it's not hot enough. Maybe I shouldn't put the little cream on it. It dried my hair. It's like a blow dryer. But I ain't about to sit here and do this to blow dry my hair. I want my hair dry. Alright, something feel like it's happening now. After like the 15,000 pass through. It looks like it's blow dried now. Maybe my sections are too big. Like, on the camera you're not seeing it, but it's actually working. I was just exaggerating. It's actually working when I look in the mirror. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but let's take this one out so you can see the difference. This is what my hair was, and this is what it is now. So I'm gonna just go through and see how it comes out. And then when I'm up in the front, I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. But this bad boy not getting my ends. I thought this would get my ends, and all I had to do is just like flat iron my roots, and I'll be bomb diggity done. But bad boy is ignoring my ends. I low-key wanted to cut my ends. Okay, I think I just needed it to heat up some more. Cause now we getting something. I'll be back. No, up front. Let's see. Okay, guys, I'm back, and I have one more. This all no, yeah, one more to do. And this is a hand workout. I've been at this for an hour, literally. But let's see. It's a blow dry, basically, and not for my type of hair. But for my type of hair, I'm gonna put it somewhere on the screen. For my type of hair, it gives you a blowout. This particular brand gives you a blowout instead of a flat iron. And what I actually did was to get it exact, like more of a straighter blowout, I would like loose out the braid, the twist or whatever, pass through it like twice, separate it, and then pass through this one. Ooh, it plugged out. Separate it, and then just straighten this one. It just turned off. What I realized, I don't know if it's just the brand or it's maybe my electricity, I don't know, but it would like be hot, really hot, and then it will just cool right down. I guess it's a like function to make sure it doesn't like burn anywhere, I don't know. But that I found very annoying, and that's why it took me so long to do, because every minute I had to wait until it heated back up. And mainly because my hair is thick, why I think this is taking so long, or not giving the thing it needs. And plus my hair is okay, this hair that you're seeing right now is virgin because I kept cutting my hair, so this length is all brand new hair basically. Maybe like my ends may not be virgins, I don't know. But I've done so much to my hair. I've bleached my hair, I've dyed my hair a couple times. Starting from high school, don't tell my mom. I used to dye my hair a little darker brown so that my hair wasn't fully black. And then when people used to ask me in school, I used to be like, oh, it's the black gel, it made my hair like that. No guys, I used to dye my hair with homemade dye. But that stuff not good for you. It was literally hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, and something else I used to put in. I don't remember, but that stuff not good for your hair. I don't think it is. It doesn't sound good for your hair. If y'all can hear my mom out there, I'm sorry. She speaks very loud. She's on the phone. So it usually gets straighter than this, but right now I'm so hot. The light's hot, this is hot, and then I'm trying to look kind of cute for you guys at the same time. It's really hard. But yeah. So let me take down these And as you guys can see, I have bomb hair for twist out. I'm just really lazy to twist my hair in with the products. But the only thing, it doesn't matter, like after an hour my hair in the twist out, it's done. So it's just for pictures. So this is how my hair looks. Let's comb it out. As you can see, it's like as if I just went and stretched my hair. If you know me and you know my hair, this is legit how it looks when it's stretched. I just put it in some big mama plots. So this is what happened. Nothing. I'm sweating, like I'm really sweating, guys. But yeah, I probably would do this. Afro light. But yeah, this is how it came out. It's not bone straight because I wanted it like falling down. But I'm not mad. Like, would I use it all the time? No. Probably like if I have to go do my hair the next day and I decide to wash my hair in the night and I don't want to make noise because we have a tenant downstairs, so I can't be like blow drying and stuff late into the night. So I probably will use this then. But or when I really need to stretch my hair and I don't want to blow dry, because even though this has heat, I don't think it's as much, it will cause as much heat damage. We'll test it out. But I'll try using this next time, but next time I'll blow dry my hair, like a blowout before I come and use it and see if I get the bone straight effect. But guys, I'm not mad at this. I'm really not mad at this. This is not what I usually use to put my hair up in after. Well, let's try. Ooh, I haven't used a rubber band in so long. It just pinched me. What you guys know about this? Hey? Is this even recording? Oh, it's recording. What y'all know about this? Yeah, here living the natural hair life. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I did a lot of talking. I know the product didn't work how I wanted it to work. But sometimes that's what happened. I don't mind trying new things for you guys and letting you guys know my honest opinion. Like some of these people out there, they're lying. They're probably just passing it through and have a like, I don't know what they do. They got some magical skills in editing videos. But anyways, until next time guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I post my next video, and share these videos guys. Share the love. It's a mosquito. Share the love. And for all my people them from home, you know, share my video please. Thanks. Okay. So goodbye guys. Adios. Au revoir. See you later. And by the way, I'm wearing Forever Cosmetics Prized Possession baby. Cotton candy. This is my favorite. But yeah. Bye guys.